General Dynamics Mikoyan MiG-29 blends legendary fighter jet performance with reimagined refinement. It's an aircraft born from Cold War dominance, now evolved with advanced avionics, cutting-edge stealth enhancements, and a surprisingly elevated pilot experience. At first glance, the MiG-29 retains its iconic twin-engine silhouette, but with a sharper edge. New composite airframe elements reduce radar signature while enhancing maneuverability. Sleek, aggressive, and more aerodynamic than ever, this is a fighter built for speed, stealth, and control. Under the fuselage, dual Klimov RD-33MK engines provide massive thrust with increased fuel efficiency and lower infrared visibility. Capable of Mach 2.25, the MiG-29 now comes with Super Cruise functionality, allowing sustained supersonic flight without afterburners, improving endurance during long-range missions. Inside, the cockpit is where tradition meets transformation. Gone is the analog clutter of older models, now replaced with a luxurious glass panel interface. Multiple HD multifunction displays, a wide-angle heads-up display, and a voice-activated control system create a pilot-first, modernized experience. The My seat is fully adjustable with adaptive climate settings, memory foam support, and anti-G-force posture design. Ambient lighting, noise isolation, and pressurization complete the surprisingly comfortable cockpit. It's no longer just a battlefield instrument, it's a personal command suite. Electronics have been overhauled with a new AESA radar, advanced helmet-mounted targeting system, and full-spectrum electronic warfare suite. This gives the pilot a 360-degree awareness bubble, enhancing detection and response times in fast-paced engagements. Weaponry is housed on upgraded pylons and within new conformal pods, optimized for stealth. The MiG-29 can now carry a diverse loadout of air-to-air missiles, smart bombs, and even hypersonic-capable ordnance, depending on mission profile. One of the standout features is its modular maintenance system. Ground crews can now diagnose and swap components quickly, keeping turnaround times low and sortie rates high. Whether flying combat air patrol, intercept, or tactical strike, the upgraded MiG-29 delivers speed, agility, and resilience with a new layer of sophistication. It's not just a relic reborn. It's a 21st century powerhouse, redefined with performance and pilot luxury in mind. If you're fascinated by the fusion of raw military capability and refined modern tech, the new MiG-29 proves that even legends can evolve. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more elite military aircraft reviews and in-depth aviation content.